Hey guys, Isaac Mac here, and I'm going to show you how to make a Lego iPod. There's a little button to turn it on. Here's a screen right here. And so, let's get started. Okay guys, so first you're going to get these pieces. These big pieces. Place them on each other. Like that. Then you're gonna get this piece. And then I'll put it right here. Get this one. Put it right there. Gonna get other ones. I'm just gonna keep on placing them like that. Then you're gonna get this piece. Just the whole thing right here. And this piece. Just there. Then I'm gonna get this piece. Right there. Gonna get this. Then you're gonna get this piece. This is gonna be kind of hard to put in, so I just put it there to be. So it doesn't need to take long. Gonna get this piece. Place it up here. I'm gonna get this piece. Place it right there. Next, you're gonna get this piece. Put it right here. And you're gonna get this piece. Put it right here. Gonna get this piece. 1x2 piece. Put it right here. Get a 1x3 piece. Put it right there. I'm gonna get this one. 1x4 piece. Place it right here. 1x2 piece. And another 1x2 piece. Make sure it's all nice and tight. That's how you make your Lego iPod. And, well, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and favorite, and like my videos. Thanks for watching.